Come here. Yeah, come here. You got on the floors. Now come here. Come here. Come on. You can do it. Come here. Come on. He's trying to follow Grandma. He can't figure out how to get off the floor. Keegan. Where you going? Oh, did you figure out how to flip around and get to the carpet? Come here. Look at Grandma's got. Kia. Come on. Come here. Come on. You can come to Grandma? Come on. No, he's like, I'm headed to the carpet again. Man, this sucks. Careful, don't grab the wall. Keegan, you're going to plow your face in there. Please don't do that. There you go. Come here. Quick. You think that's guys? Is that going to stop you from... Oh, no. What are you doing? Keegan. Come here. Come on. Keegan, come on. You're almost there. You're almost here. Come on. Do you hear that? Oh, you want that? Keegan. Keegan. He's like, I'm going back to the carpet. Dang it. Keegan, what are you doing? You go back to the living room where it's careful. Are you go back here? Come here. Come here. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Try to get your shoes to work right. Say, hey, what's wrong with these feet? What are you doing? Hi. Hi, handsome. There he goes. There he goes. He's almost got it. He's figured it out. Whoop.